submission, there are two files. The first one is zoo creature, second one is zoo animation. And the first thing is I have to learn classes, so I just duplicate Jeremy's teaching template and rewrite all of it until the third one here. Make classes for all the chimeras, but there are still tests, but it's more formal. Yeah. And the first one I pick is Gryphon. It is this kind of eagle head and lion bodies creature. And I made something that it can breed babies, so something like this. And the baby will call maybe Gigi and Gary's and their junior force, something like that. But some of the tests I won't use in zoo animation. I just learn all of it to create classes. And the second chimera is called Sirens. Is this kind of mermaid-like creature. It's very weird, and they like to attract people and then fool them. So what I did is I create classes like this. So they have different names and they have different size of the sound files. And sometimes they will catch their prey. Sometimes they will be like empty. And the third one is called Amphisbaena. And this is a weird creature that has two snake faces at both the head and the tail. So it looks like this. And what I did is I made something. I just changed the color. And when all the computing system goes wrong, it will happen error. And when the error happens, this creature will appear. Yeah. And here is I let them go out every second. So it's kind of like time-based with count. Yeah, every time it prints one babies from this creature, and they have a different ID number. Yeah, and there are all the testing things I can find here. And it's zoo animation. At this stage, I use Gemini to visualize my code and all the tests from my zoo creature coding. And actually, I also write a rule design for the animation to let Gemini to see and then write into this code. And here you can run Python file and see the animation. So here I made this kind of little square is Gryphon, so it will kind of like moving around and breathe itself. And then here is a siren, so when it hits sirens, it will gradually die. And when all the Gryphons die, it will print these words out. And this here, a little bit glitchy, is the two-head snake. They are like an error. So every time when the Gryphon dead, it appear one triangle comes out. So that is the end of my sketch. But like definitely I can improve more aesthetic and rules better. But like this is just the MVP of this work. So yeah, thank you.